This is a cake for anyone who loves those Irish cream drinks you often have at Christmas. You're going to need some butter, self-raising flour, caster sugar, eggs, some cocoa powder, a dash of baking powder, and of course Irish cream. To start off the cake, first thing you're going to do is soften down your butter, then go in with the sugar. Then you're going to mix this until it's a lovely creamy consistency. Once your sugar and butter's mixed together, you're going to go in with 3 eggs, but you're going to mix them singly. So in with the egg, give it a mix. Hopefully you'll be left with something resembling that. And into the batter mix you're going to sieve your flour, cocoa powder and your bit of baking powder you've put in. And then to help it along, going in with a good glug or 2 of your Irish cream. Don't use a mixer, use a spatula, a wooden spoon, whatever you've got, but you're going to fold all that in. When you've got it something like that, it's time to get out your baking tin. Get your baking tin, grease it up with some butter or oil, put a bit of baking parchment paper in the bottom, and it's time to put your batter in there. And mine's going in the oven for about 40 minutes at 170, but each oven is different. So just get something like that, and when it comes out the middle clean, you know that your cake's done. Just keep checking it. Once your little skewer comes out clean, you know your cake's done. Just around the edges, even though you've greased them with a knife. After it's cooled down, of course. Turn it upside down, give it a tap to help it fall out. There you go. Take that off. Carefully take the bottom off. And then your grease-proof paper. And then all that's left to do, see that how it's glistening, still got moisture in it. Turn it back, and then we've got the tricky operation of cutting it in half. With a cool cake, you want to cut it in half so you can put some filling in there. Get yourself a serrated knife. Be very careful, don't just go hacking at it. Just keep going round and round, and keep going deeper in, till eventually you'll just feel it give. And there it is in half. Into your bowl with your double cream, and just to make sure everyone knows it's an Irish cream cake, you're just going to add a bit of the Irish cream into the double cream and then get it whisked up. Once you've whisked your cream up, you've got it something like that consistency. It's time to get it on and in your cake. So do your top first, and whatever's left can go in the middle. And just to finish it off, get a few shavings of chocolate on there.